In this video, you'll learn how to auto-post with OpenClaw AI. This tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to set up and automate your TikTok posting process using OpenClaw AI. Begin by locating the Start search box on your Windows taskbar. This search feature allows you to quickly access applications and settings. Click on it to activate the search field. Next, type Windows PowerShell into the search box. As you type, you will see search results appear. This is the command line interface you will use to execute the necessary commands. After that, locate Windows PowerShell in the search results. Right-click on this entry to reveal a context menu. This menu provides different options for how to run the application. Click on Run as Administrator from the context menu. This action will grant elevated permissions, which are often required for executing specific commands within PowerShell. Once PowerShell opens, type OpenClaw into the command line. This command initializes the OpenClaw AI application, allowing you to begin the auto-posting setup. Wait for a moment as the application loads. The system may take a few seconds to process your command and start the OpenClaw. Next, type OpenClaw Gateway in the PowerShell window. This command is essential for accessing the OpenClaw control panel, where you will manage your auto-posting settings. After that, you will need to copy the URL http://127.001.18789. This address is used to access the local OpenClaw gateway, which connects your commands to the application. Navigate to the OpenClaw control panel using the copied URL. Open a web browser and paste the URL into the address bar, then press enter to load the interface. Once the OpenClaw control panel is displayed, type AutoPost for TikTok into the designated text field. This action specifies the type of auto-posting functionality you wish to set up. A message will appear indicating, nice, let's set up TikTok auto-posting. This confirms that the control panel recognizes your request and is ready to proceed with the configuration. Next, you will see options for scheduled reminders, indicating that you can choose to post manually or set up fully automated posting. This selection will guide your next actions. When prompted, choose whether you want to fully automate your postings. If you opt for automation, you will need to provide specific details such as posting times and the source for videos or captions. Type 2 when asked for your preferred automation method. This input signifies your choice for full automation, which will streamline your posting process. You will receive a confirmation message stating perfect full automation it is. This indicates that your request for automation has been accepted and is being processed. Following this, you will see a message regarding your post schedule. This section allows you to define when your content will be published on TikTok. Next, you will encounter a message about the content source. Specify where OpenClaw should pull videos or captions from, such as a folder or document. You will also need to specify the caption source, which is crucial for adding text to your posts. Ensure that this is configured according to your needs. Additionally, you will be prompted to set up hashtags for your posts. Decide whether these will be fixed or if they will vary per video, as this will affect your content's reach. You will be asked about the account count for posting. This is important for managing multiple TikTok accounts if applicable. Next, review the safety rules provided by OpenClaw to ensure compliance with TikTok's posting guidelines and to avoid any potential issues. You will also need to configure the time zone for your posts. This ensures that your scheduled uploads align with your local time preferences. If desired, you can request a clean default setup from OpenClaw. Simply indicate your preference, and the system will prepare the necessary configurations. Type Go to finalize the setup process. This command signals that you are ready to implement the configurations you have established. You will receive a message confirming that the default TikTok auto post system has been set up. This indicates that the application is now ready to begin posting automatically on your behalf. Finally, review the details of what has been configured. You will see a summary of the folders created and the configuration file generated for your auto-posting setup. It's essential to keep TikTok logged in on your browser and handle any captcha or two-factor authentication prompts to avoid interruptions in your posting. Important notes regarding the configuration may appear, including reminders about missing Git identity settings. Ensure these are addressed to maintain smooth operation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.